In Makkah we stayed at Anjum Hotel. This is a 5-star hotel, and in this video I will show you around my room. After checking at the reception, you will be handed a key card. Insert and take out to unlock. We stayed in room 1871. Inside was clean throughout. You got the aircon at the hallway. Inside the shower room there's a hairdryer, tissue box, 2 glasses, I believe you can hold your toothbrush in there, LED mirror, hand or face towels, a telephone, blade and shaving cream, shampoo, shower gel, body lotion, vanity kit, soap, sanitary bag, toothbrush with toothpaste. You can ask room service if you need anything topping up and changing the towels. English toilet with a bidet spray. You got a walk-in shower, and to turn on the shower you simply run the water and pull this nozzle. I believe that's a washing line to hang your clothes. 2 single beds with 2 pillows each. Now looking inside the wardrobe, I believe that's a duvet bed cover. 2 bathroom robes, a safe box which I personally don't use, prayer mat with the Holy Quran, slippers, sewing kit, shoe shine with a shoe horn. Pillows, hangers and an iron with an ironing board. You get water bottles, I believe that's a coffee machine which we did not use. Different flavoured tea bags and instant cream. Kettle. Telephone with preset dials. A standard USB Type A charge slots. They use 3-pin sockets here, so if you're travelling from the UK you don't need any travel adapters, but we took one just in case if we require them anywhere else. A model look LED desk lamp. Beside your bed there's another telephone and a smartphone wireless charging device. To connect to the Wi-Fi, enter your name, room number and a mobile number. I just entered my UK number. Now WhatsApp video calling does not work here inside the while using the Wi-Fi network, so you will need an eSIM, and I will leave a link in the description below of what eSIM I used. We requested a clock tower view and got what we wanted. Beautiful views of the city. On the smart TV there's a variety of channels to watch, live viewings of Makkah and Medina. There's news channels, NBC, sports and much more. You can also smart mirror your phone to the TV. You get a mini fridge to top up any drinks or snacks. These snacks are bought from the supermarket. There's a doorbell outside the room. Press this button if you need your room cleaned when they come around. I believe you need to keep that card in for the electrics to work. Carpet all around the bedroom, which I like. The window bay area is a place where you can admire the view. Now to control the aircon is pretty simple. You got the temperature controls here. Over here you got the fan controls. As you can see at the moment it's on solid. Low fan setting to high. And a setting to switch off. You can control this by using the left or right buttons. Now please remember guys, when you get your key card, do not place it near your smartphone in your pocket, as this causes disruptions, as then you won't be able to enter your room. You will have to go back to reception and reactivate it again. Overall guys, I loved my stay here at Anjum Hotel. More videos on this hotel to come. Stay tuned, take care, peace.